How to configure SSL VPN in Fortinet. So let's start. So first log in to your Fortinet, and after login you have to just go in user and security and create one user. So I'm just creating my one user, like me. Okay. Next, my user, and what is your password? So you just type your password. Then next. So two-factor authentication. We don't need this. So next, and is any group? So I think there is the one of the next group. So just select this. How to create next group? I show you. So now my user is created and the group is max. So if you want to create the max group, or you have to create your own group, so just go and create. Like suppose I'm create Sumit Sumit group. Okay, and just here which member you want to configure inside of group. So this is the member user. Okay, so I am just close this. I show you. And after create the user, you just go to VPN and create your VPN. So setting here, the interface is WAN. So this is the WAN interface and port. If you put only by default it's 443 HTTPS. So if you put the same HTTPS, then the portal is also open, and this is also for the SSL. So that's why it's not connected to your VPN. So you have to change your port. Like suppose I am putting 12443. So this is my access. If you have to click here, then you go and you log in and then download your client. So I am not downloading, and after this you just allow or limited access. So I am allowing access from my any host, and this is your private IP. When you are creating the SSL VPN, then it's give you this IP 10 212 134 and 200. Okay, and here you have to add the group. So I am just max group, and here I am giving the tunnel. Okay, so now it's created. So then apply. So now you apply, and you have to create one policy. So I think I already created my policy. So you here, and this is my policy. So side to side for SSL, first you have to choose the SSL. By default it's on, and then this is the internal LAN, which this is the zone inside of LAN my network. So and source the max, which is my group. Okay, and this is the destination IP. So if you are in a VPN, then which IP you have to access, and then this is by default allow, and service. If you have want to change, then you have to change the service also, and everything will be good. Now here only create a session, and okay. So after this you show one more thing. Here is the IP address. So if you go in here, I create 100, 199 and 200. That's why these two I am accessing these two IP. Okay. Okay. So let's Now my VPN SSL VPN is created. I have to go and Fortinet client. If you see my client is open, then you have to go and add the connection. So now I am name, so any name like Sumit. So and gateway, what's your gateway? It means what's your public IP. So I am putting my public IP. After public IP, here you have to choose the port. What port is given? By default is 443. 443 is also using the your FortiGate login page. That's why you have to always change your port. So you just go here SSL VPN setting and change your port. Otherwise, it's not connected your VPN. Okay, and here nothing. Just save. What's your user? So just type the user and save. It means save and just give your password. After give the password, it's a yes. The credential that the configuration is wrong. So why? It's saying because I think the port is not configured well. Yes, that's why the port is. So you have to check 1 2 times the port is saved or not. After save, you have to yes. The same message is given. So go here. The port is same. That's a good. Everything is same. And then why it's not given? So this is good. This is good. Tunnel access. And you have to go to authentication. Uh, and max. So max have the two user. Max and Sumit. Okay. And user define. User define is the Sumit and the group is max. Okay. And after that, we have to go to policy. And in policy, you just click here. And after click here, and just tap here and go to the group. Suppose here in a group, just go here and max. So I am before that I am using max. This is the user. I have to use group because inside of this max group, Sumit is there. So now it's selected max in group and then you have to click OK. After OK, I am just go here, save and yes. After give the user and password. I think right now it's connected. There is no any issue. Okay. So now you are connected. Okay. This is connected. Okay. But so after this, if you want to ping your IP, your line IP 192.199 or just 221 is anyone? No. 20 is anyone? Yes. So this is the LAN IP address. Now look, I am using the different LAN. If you see, this is my network. I am using the Wi-Fi. Okay. If you go up, so this is the VPN user. So I am using that VPN. So this is the IP address of the VPN. Okay. Okay. So VPN is connected. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.